Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. Let me get y'all. I ain't ready for y'all to see. Y'all see me? I'm trying to get myself together. I can't even get myself together. Okay, that's perfect. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do my hair. I got another wig from Amazon. This wig will be linked in my description box below. I feel like this camera's still too hot. And I done dropped the wig. There we go. That's better. I like that. Okay, so yeah. Another wig from Amazon. You already know. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out together. If I need to get back on YouTube, I got my Google Home right here, so I can play back. I'm actually gonna get my iPad and have it here too, so I can watch a girl do it while I do it, because I really want this wig to come out nice. I think I did okay in the last one, but I feel like I can do much better. So this wig here, like I said, it's from Amazon. It's a 24-inch lace wig. And I had kind of like opened it already and to see the quality of it. And it looked like some really good hair. So we're gonna see. Look like some good stuff. Ooh, okay. Let's do a shed test. Let's see. So far, no shedding. No shedding so far. That's really good. It looks true to length. Like I said, it's a 24-inch. So it looks true to length. It looks really full. It looks like it already got baby hairs. Okay, look at the lace. Let's get this stuff out of here. You see the lace? Y'all see that lace? Do y'all see? I know y'all see that lace because your girl got better lighting here, so I know y'all see that lace. Yeah, so this is a full lace wig. So yes, I'm excited. The last one was a closure, so I'm excited. It don't look like it needs to be plugged, so that's good. I think it already comes pre-plugged and everything, so we just need to install this bad boy. So let me go ahead and braid up my hair really quick. I'm gonna braid this up. I'm gonna blow dry really quick. Then I'm gonna braid it up, and I'm gonna come back and put this back on so it can't be, you know. And like I said, it's a lace, so I don't know if I wanna make it a U part, not a U part, three part, or do I want to part it sideways? I don't want to do a middle part. But we're gonna figure all that out later, so stay tuned. First, I need to find some music or something to watch, because I need to watch something. I'm sorry, I gotta find something to watch. What am I gonna watch? What y'all been up to? Make sure y'all comment below how y'all doing. Let me know y'all name if y'all subscribe. I want to get to know y'all, and you know, if y'all tuned in on what I'm doing, I want to know what y'all doing, what y'all up to, what y'all got going on. Because I like watching reality shows and stuff like that. So I'm going to just watch this. And y'all just stay tuned.
Yeah. Ayy, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Riding on you. Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, down, I'm going out the heat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I be sleepy. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up.
Yeah. Yeah. Ayy, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do